How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers for tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. Dive into the world of AI influencers, where virtual personalities are redefining the rules of social media marketing and reckoning cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencer. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to do the voiceover, you don't have even to write the script. So for example, this one and this one, as you can see here, we have over 300k of followers, and as you that mean real people follow her. So as you can see, it's powered by AI. It's an AI influencer, and here's pictures, and this is the likes, a lot of likes, comments, and as you can see, this is an AI influencer, and a lot of AI influencers earn money, that means millions of dollars. And in this video, I'll show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. So first step you need to start your video on YouTube using AI influencer is creating your AI character. So don't worry, you don't have actually to create it because we have here hygiene.com. It's an AI based tool that can be used to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com. As you can see here, we have two options to get started. You can click which one you want, and then you can sign up by entering your email, your verification code, and you can answer for a few questions. Then you can click on sign up and it will lead you to the home page. But before starting our example of creating a video with AI influencer, let's see if we scroll down over here. As you can see, this is the AI influencer, how it looked like. And as you can see here, we have a lot of other video, a lot of other examples of an AI character. And if we scroll down over here too, you'll find a lot of various AI avatars that you can choose one of them and start with. So here you can scroll down and read all this information to more understand the website, how it works. And you can also go over here, use cases, for example, features, resources, company, pricing, to more understand and to get more information. So here we have this homepage. So if you click on sign up, it will lead you to here. As you can see here, we have, let's go to the home page. Here we have my recent creations, and if we scroll down, you'll find Haitian learning guide. So you can find AI studio, video avatar, AI voice, video translation. So you can read or you can look at this, and then you will get more information how it works. And if we scroll down, you can find templates and avatars. So here we have the templates, various templates with various topics, of course, and with different AI characters. So you can choose the one you can start with on your content. So it depends on your content is. And here we have, as I mentioned before, avatars. So you can choose one and start with, or you can go to video avatar and go to studio of AI avatar. Then you'll find various AI character that you can choose one of them, and then you can create your video using this AI influencer. So let's, for example, select that one. As you can see, this is Daisy in suit. It's a description of this AI character. So here we have this three dot if you want to edit avatar, get avatar ID, and here if you want to start on creating video by clicking on landscape. And here we have two options actually, landscape, portrait. So you can start with landscape if you want to start on YouTube. Here we have these options. As you can see, And this is our AI character. You can change the place if you want. You can put it on the left or on the right or on the middle, or you can zoom it too, so it depends how you can make your video and where you can put this AI character. And here we have the animation. So if we click, we'll find effect on enter, effect on leave. So if you want to add one of them, and then you'll find here script, so you can delete that one and then you will add yours, and you can add another one too, and you can add it per section between these two scripts. So you can, will be me it will be 3 seconds, maybe less, maybe more. So it depends on your content, how you're gonna make your script. And here we have added recording if you want to edit a record, and also if you want to upload audio. Here we have but before click on voices, let's go to do this GPT script writer. It's help you, by the way, to create script if you find difficulties. And this is the translation. You can translate all your script to a specific language if you want. And let's move to the voice. As you can see here, we have various voices that you can choose one and start with. So here we have type of voices: natural, explainer, ads, audiobooks, e-learning, narration, games. And this is the language of your voice if you want Arabic, English, French, Italian. So it's depend on which language you're gonna start on your YouTube channel. Here we have the gender. If you want a male voice, female voice, as you can see, I already choose the AI character female. So of course I will choose a female voice. And here we have the age. You can choose the child voice, youth voice, middle age voice, older voice, and this is the function. So you can choose the one suits you more, and then you will create your video. And by editing it, you can just click on submit, and then your video will be ready to publish it on your YouTube channel, and then you'll start earning money. How? By, for example, starting as an affiliate marketing. True platforms like impact.com offers affiliates flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently. So you can promote products or services of some maybe some brands, and then you will earn your commissions on sales generated through the referral links, and then you will earn money by using AI influencers. And then you can also create a video guide using an AI influencer. For example, that one can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience. Start him on defining your topic, for example, then you can script him. Make sure just the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and AI influencer. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.